Start by making the repaired door jamb blend perfectly with the surrounding trim so the repair is invisible. Prepare the surface by removing any loose paint or filler and lightly sanding the repair area until it is feathered into the existing jamb by using progressively finer grit sandpaper so edges are smooth and flush. Apply a high-quality wood filler or 2-part epoxy for deeper gaps and overfill slightly so you can sand it back to a perfect contour. For structural repairs, use epoxy reinforced with wood splines and let it cure fully before sanding. Clean dust with a tack cloth and apply a shellac-based or stain-blocking primer if the jamb had knots or tannin bleed. Otherwise, use an acrylic latex primer that bonds well to wood and previous coatings. When priming, brush into corners and then follow with light back rolling or cross-brushing to avoid lap marks and create a uniform absorbency for top coat. Choose paint that matches sheen and color of adjacent trim, typically semi-gloss for durability, and apply 2 thin coats, allowing full dry time between coats, while sanding very lightly with fine grit between coats to remove any imperfections. Finish by running a small bead of paintable caulk between the jamb and wall or casing where gaps remain, then tool the bead smooth with a damp finger or a caulk tool and wipe away excess immediately. A frequent mistake is leaving the filler proud or underfilled so the final surface is uneven. Prevent that by overfilling slightly then sanding to shape. Another common issue is poor color and sheen match, which makes the repair stand out. Avoid that by matching both paint color and gloss level, and by painting a larger section of trim if needed to blend. People also neglect proper priming and cause stain bleed or poor adhesion. Use a stain-blocking primer for pigments and adhere to manufacturer dry times before top coating. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for finishing and repair tasks, while also helping contractors connect with new work through project leads and outreach. We also host an active discussion community so members can ask questions, compare techniques, and share photos of door jamb projects with peers.